The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore. 2025 is Austin Habitat for Humanity's 40th anniversary, and it's gonna be a really big year. We're gonna talk a little bit about that, as well as talk about what's going on at the Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStores here in town with marketing manager Erica Brown. She joins us today. Erica, let's start with what's new, because 2025 gonna be a big one.
It's going to be a huge year for Austin Habitat for Humanity and ReStores. We're really excited. The organization will be celebrating our 40th anniversary. We were also the recipient of the Carter Work Project 2025. We'll be building 25 houses in 1 week. So we just have a really huge year coming, and we're just really excited about it as well.
I think some of those numbers are going to be surprising to people, but we're looking for some help. So can you tell me about that?
Yeah, we'll be looking for some help. Obviously, always we're looking for volunteers. We're looking for corporations to lend their support, reach out to us at our website, and just looking for as much community support as we can get.
Because we need like 4,000 volunteers.
Yeah, we do.
By the time all is said and done. So it's a great way to work together. Yeah, great suggestion. Speaking of, why is community support so vital to the mission of the ReStore and Austin Habitat for Humanity?
Yeah, I think community support is so vital because we can't really function without the support of our local Austin community and surrounding cities. Everything you see here has either been donated by a corporation or a resident of Austin or the surrounding areas, and it just takes so much teamwork and community support to help us function. You know, the support of the community allows us to help families become affordable homeowners, and it's just a big contribution to our mission. Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay. What are some ways that local residents can support the ReStore? We always appreciate people coming in and giving it a shot.
Yeah, so the way that local residents can support the ReStore is always number one by donating. If you have anything that you have in your home that you're no longer using, that's been gently used, gently loved, like appliances, furniture, home decor.
The lovely couch we're sitting on right now.
Isn't this amazing?
It is.
It's gorgeous.
Are there any specific items or resources that y'all are looking for right now that we as the community can help you out with?
Yeah, we're looking for appliances are really huge. I think that would be great if we can get those contributions. We're always looking for furniture, building supplies, anything that you aren't using, but specifically we're looking for appliances, furniture, and things of that nature.
Okay, sounds good to me, Erica.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shop or donate in person at ReStore's 3 Austin area locations, or learn more online at shopaustinrestore.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore.